Assalamualaikum everyone. Hi. Today we are going to do a bit of review about the toys we have learned in the past lesson, and we are going to learn about adjectives. As you can see on the left side of the Jamboard, there are the things that we are going to learn in this video and the next video. So in this video, we are going to do a bit of review about the toy's name, and we are going to learn adjectives. As you can see, I have typed the name of these toys on these post-it notes. So I need to off my camera first because it's disturbing the view. Okay. So now we are going to name these toys. So what are these toys? You know? Ball. Very good. B-A-L-L, ball. Okay. Ball. So these are ball. If you're using the correct plural, we need to call them balls. But in this lesson, let's just use the word ball without plurals. I will explain later. Okay, what are these? You know? Monsters, very good. M-O-N-S-T-E-R, monster. Okay. Okay. What toys are these? What category are these? Do you know? Do you remember? Starts with G. Go-kart. Very good. Okay, so we have named all these toys. But if you can see, there are two of these toys each, and they are different in more than one way. So today we are going to learn the group of words that we are going to explain how these toys are different. Okay, let's look. Okay, so I have named these toys. These are train, ball, monster, and go-kart. So adjectives are words that we use to describe how the things look or what are the attributes. The things that we can use to describe, the words that we can use to describe things. So this train, we can describe it in two ways. One, we can use colors, and the other one we are going to talk about the size. For example, the train colors are blue, B-L-U-E, okay, the train's color are blue. And what color are these? Starts with R. Red, very good. Okay. So we can use colors to describe train. A blue train, a red train. We can also use the size to describe these the difference between these toys. For example, this one is long and this one is short. So long and short. So all of this we can describe either using colors or their sizes or their other attributes.